Hello, and welcome to the How to Cite AI video. This is an update or revision to a previous video called How to Cite Generative AI that was published on the West Library Information Literacy YouTube channel in August of 2024. After watching this video, you will learn the specific parts of a reference citation in the APA styles. My name is Dennis Miles, Reference and Instruction Librarian at the West Library at Texas Wesleyan University. Here is the table of contents for this video. It tells you the time frame in the video where you can access each topic listed in the table of contents so that you can go directly to just that part that you want to watch. The big change that has occurred in AI in the past 1 to 2 years is the ability to save an individual chat, which wasn't possible when the first rules for citing AI came out in 2023. Because of this change, the 3 citation styles now recommend that you include the URL of the chat where you got your information in the citation. Here is a quote from the APA Style blog that explains more about the change in AI. It says, in our 2023 post on citing ChatGPT, we recommended citing only the AI tool, not the specific chat, because at the time it was not possible to retrieve and share specific chats. However, most AI chat tools, including ChatGPT, now include a sharing option that typically provides users with a unique URL and the title for each chat. Even though this quote applies to APA style only, the other citation styles also agree on this change in including the chat URL in the reference. How do you obtain the URL of a specific chat? Well, the main AI models now have a share option that allows you to create a unique URL for your chat question and response. For Google Gemini, you have a list of your recent chats on the left side of the page. Select the chat that you want to share, then click on the 3 vertical dots. A menu box will open up in which you will see Share Conversation. Click on Share Conversation and you will see the shareable public link. Here are instructions on how to create a specific URL for a chat in ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity. They all involve clicking on a Share button. And finally, there is Microsoft Copilot. You have to create your own account. You cannot use the Microsoft Office 365 account that TextWest provides for you because you are not able to share chats. Once logged into Microsoft Copilot, under Conversations on the left, click on a conversation, then click on the 3 dots, then click on Send a Copy, and you will see the share box that is on the screen. Now we are going to go into the specific parts of a citation for AI in the APA style. This is what a citation looks like currently for AI in the APA style that includes the URL of the chat. The author of the AI model is put first in the reference, which is the company responsible for developing the AI tool. Second is the date, which is the date on which the chat occurred or concluded. Third is the title generated by the prompt question asked. The AI tool generates and saves this title in the list of your chats. Fourth is a description of the tool where the information came from. In this case, Gemini has a description of generative AI chat in brackets. Fifth is the name of the AI tool, which can just be the name or the name with the specific model or version number. Sixth is the URL of the chat. This is how your readers will be able to find the chat. The APA style also has a way to cite an AI tool generally. Again, The statement on the screen comes from the APA style blog. It is also possible to cite an AI tool generally and not a specific chat. Cite an AI tool generally when it would be unhelpful, unethical, or otherwise inappropriate to cite a specific chat, as well as when you want to point to the existence of the AI tool but not necessarily cite specific information from it. Here are the parts of a citation when you cite it generally in the APA style. For this citation, you first put the author of the model. This is the company responsible for developing the AI tool. Next is the date, which is the year in which the AI tool was most recently updated. Third is the title, which is the name of the AI model. Fourth is the version of the AI model, which can be a date or version number, whatever the model uses. In this example, it is 1.5 Flash. Next is the description of the AI model. In this case, it is large language model surrounded by brackets. Finally, you put the URL of the AI tool, not the specific chat. Here we see a comparison between the different parts of a citation for AI in the two ways mentioned in the APA style. You can see that the meaning of the parts of the citation may change depending on what kind of citation you use, the citing generally or citing with the URL of the chat. There is an online guide called How to Cite Generative AI that contains the latest rules for citing in the APA style. The ones marked official are the latest rules. Click on the QR code to access. This is the end of this video on citing AI using the APA style. One final guideline: always check with your professor to see if he or she has any specific guidelines on the use of AI and how to cite AI. There is a separate video that will discuss how to create an in-text citation in the APA, MLA, and Chicago Turabian style. Here is a post quiz that you can take. Scan the QR code to begin.